ఏబిఎన్ ఎంటర్టైన్మెంట్ యూట్యూబ్ ఛానల్ ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసి నోటిఫికేషన్స్ కోసం బెల్ బటన్ నొక్కండి.
Let me first welcome you, sir, in Hyderabad by heart and soul. We are pleasure that you have come to Hyderabad city.
Pleasure to be here. Great pleasure to be in your city.
Oh, it's your city also.
Our city. Our city.
That's the right word. So, Guruji, I just wanted to know, as you just talked about, we all been, that's a very normal question, you know. Everybody been locked down, not you, me, everybody has faced this situation. What was going in your mind personally when we think about the common man, you know, he got scared, oh my God, I'll get affected. But being at the kind of, you have the power of controlling the mind, what was you personally was going through? Your experience, I would like to, if you can share with us.
Sure. I think for me, I was looking at the opportunity to reach out to people and help them. Because it is in times of crises that people need help. And especially in times like this, people need a lot of emotional help. They need to see the silver lining around the cloud. They need to see hope in it. They need to learn how to cope with what's happening in their life. They need to get a coping mechanism. So I think the entire lockdown kind of proved to be an opportunity to help and serve people. So I'm very grateful for that.
And sir, you've been locked down for how many months yourself, and what you were doing?
9 months. I was reaching out to people with a lot of online sessions. I was busy writing. I travel a lot, so this is the first time that I got an opportunity to be on the ground for a long time. So obviously that meant a lot of rest and working on my health and all of those things put together. So I think, yeah, the flip side of it was whatever has happened. The positive side of it is, of course, to see the opportunity to serve, to help and work on yourself.
And you just said a very good line that you are born again after 9 months.
So, looks like I'm born again. The last event I did on ground was 9 months back.
Okay.
So it's like being born again.
So, what do you think, sir? You've been talking about, Guruji, everything. We have a doctor to, you know, to see, okay, this disease is going in your mind. We can call you a doctor for our souls. So, how is like you will advise people to work on the soul, because we are lacking on that, and that's why people need you more.
Sure.
So, how you want to interact on that session?
I think the first thing that when we are talking about working on our mind, our soul, our inner self, the first thing that we really need to make sure is we have the right kind of knowledge and know-how, because only when we have the right kind of knowledge shall we still start living in awareness. Your inner life is developed based on how much you live in awareness. Today we are living such a fast life that we have forgotten to be aware of how we live, right? So I think that's number one, to develop that knowledge, to get that awareness. Number two is, I think, like-minded company. So when you have the company of individuals who are conscious of living a life of awareness, they will be able to help you in living a life of connecting to that kind of a community. And number three is applying it. Knowledge is fine, but you need to apply it in order to...
And you just talked about, you know, people were mostly talking about this. This corona has taught us to save our nature. We need nature, and we were running fast. Do you think these kind of incidents, when come in the history or on this earth, it will somewhere make us learn something? It's a positive side?
I hope that we learn. I hope that we learn that things have really, from the point of view of the environment, from the point of view of the ecology, climate change wise, things definitely were much better after the lockdown started. I hope that we all become more conscious and start living in conscious awareness and empathy to the earth, to the trees, to the animals, to the water bodies, and to nature at large.
And so, Guruji, and you were talking so much. So you have almost covered all the topics, you know, related to human mentality, inner engineering. What topic you still think it's lacking and need to be covered, and we need to be spread the awareness, and you want it to be a part of it?
I really don't think it's one or the other, because I believe in a balanced life. So we need to emphasize on each aspect of life in order for people to learn how to bring in that balance. So yes, relationships, personal life, climate change is there, work and success is there, following your passion is there. And I think these days I'll emphasize a lot about focusing on your offline life as well.
Yes,
not
that's
so much
more
just
digital wise we are growing up.
Yes.
No boundaries have been there.
Yes, indeed. So thank you very much. Brilliant.
So this last question we want, being a journalist, and you know what you would like to advise, like journalists been going out, and what you want to talk about their mentality, and if you have to do a session on journalists, what will be your topics?
Don't be fearful, be careful.
Don't be careful and
Don't be fearful, be careful. You have to go out and do what you need to do. be safe, and do what you need to do with the best possible commitment and dedication.
And if we sort of talk about the domestic and crime rates happening, what, like how you can handle them? Like, you know, when this coronavirus was there, we saw that some of the domestic violence was more on the on household wise. Would you like to say or something on that?
I think it's pathetic when somebody does that. I completely, it's very disappointing, and I don't at all support. In fact, I feel annoyed when I hear things like that. As much as I know that, I also know that people at home, what they've gone through, we don't know. How they've gone through and what they have gone through, we really have no clue and idea. It becomes very intolerable at times, you know. So I feel these kind of issues need to be addressed, and a lot of help needs to be brought in this space so that these kind of episodes don't happen, not just now, but even in the future.
And there was a lot of news about this Bollywood stuff, drugs and everything. How you take it, and you just give your advices when you heard a lot of news about this, with Bollywood going through this and that drama.
Yeah, I think people need to be socially aware of what's happening, but they don't need to be consumed by it. Right? So you need to be aware, but you don't need to be consumed by it. So you should be very careful of the content you consume, online or print media, television media. What are you consuming? That decides your state of mind. So we need to be aware, we need to be sensitive. At the same time, we should make sure that we're not consumed by what's happening around us. Not just this, anything. Okay?
And three lines for living a life in size. Three, small time.
What?
3 lines, I mean, to live a life in large size.
Live in conscious awareness. Right. Make sure that the foundation of your life is strong, and make sure you're people-centric, not just project-centric. Thank you.
Thank you, Guruji.
ఏబిఎన్ ఎంటర్టైన్మెంట్ యూట్యూబ్ ఛానల్ ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసి నోటిఫికేషన్స్ కోసం బెల్ బటన్ నొక్కండి.